Okay, Lynn, can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
Okay, so here you're going to read the sentence, look at the picture, put a tick or cross in the box. Okay, so here we go, Lynn. Here we go.
Michelle, finish.
Please read, Lynn, together with your answer.
This is a robot class. This is a hard chair. These are TVs. No. This is a watch chair. These are cars.
Okay, done. Ready to check, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay, here we go, Lynn. This is a robot. The answer is cross. Correct. Why it's cross, Lynn? Because? Why it's cross?
Because
It is a? What is in the picture? It's a?
it's it's a dog.
Okay, it's a doll. Correct, Lynn. Do you have a doll, Lynn? You have a doll?
Hmm.
How many dolls do you have?
Many dogs.
Many dolls. Oy. Okay, here, number 2. This is a bike. It's correct. 3, there are kiwis. Is this kiwis? Are these kiwis? These are, what are these?
It's
These
a cat.
kites. Not kiwis, but these are kites. Correct. Number 4, this is a watch. That is correct. And number 5, these are cars. Are these cars? Are these cars?
No.
No. What are these, Lynn? These
These
are
are motorbike.
perfect. Perfectly answered, Lynn. Good job. Okay. 5. Perfect score. Your reading and writing, Lynn, is quite good. Okay. Good job. Now here, Lynn, I have here question. Now here, what are these, Lynn? These are?
This these are uh, these are meatballs.
Okay. Do you like to eat meatballs?
Yes.
What do you eat for dinner, Lynn? What?
Sometimes uh
Ah.
I eat meatball and I eat fish and dry.
Oh, very healthy food. Okay, what is this, Lynn?
This is t-shirt.
Okay, are you wearing t-shirt today, Lynn?
No.
No. What are you wearing?
I'm carrying a dress.
Dress. What do you wear at school, Lynn?
I wear a school uh,
Do you wear school uniform?
a school dress.
Okay, school dress or the school uniform. Okay, Lynn, can you tell me 4 things that you can see? I can see.
I can see people.
What else? People. What else?
Helicopter,
Helicopter. What else?
car,
Car. What else?
glass.
Okay, perfect. Okay, here, Lynn, since we still have time, Lynn, let's do another activity. Okay, wait me, Lynn. Oh no. Wait me for a while. Okay, let's have speaking activity. Okay, so here, hello, I am teacher Jessa. What is your name?
Miss Eileen.
Okay, here. How old are you, Lynn?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in 78 Oxford Street.
Okay, here, Lynn. I want you to look at the picture. And Lynn, can you tell me what can you see in the picture?
You can see a horse, a people, a cat, a bike, chair, a tree, a bush, a hook,
Okay,
and
look.
mountain.
All right. So how many people can you see in the picture?
I can see 2 people.
Okay, I can see two people. And what are these people doing? What are they doing?
They're cooking and eating.
Okay. They are playing and eating. Oh, look at the boy. What is the boy wearing, Lee?
What is it's wearing football t-shirts and jeans.
Okay, and how about the girl?
The girl wearing blue shirt and blue skirts.
Okay, good job. Here, Lynn, I have here vocabulary words. What are the words?
Blue skirts.
What else?
Boat,
Boat, next,
uniform,
mirror, and
tomatoes.
very good. Next, oh, done already. Now here, Lynn, where is the girl in the picture?
The girl in
The girl in the picture is? Where's the girl in the picture, Lynn?
the girl in the road.
Okay, the girl is on the road. How about where is the pineapple?
The pineapple is in the box.
Very good. The pineapple is in the box. Correct. Now here, Lynn. I have here this one, Lynn. Which is the boat in the picture? Can you see the boat in the picture? Can you see
Yes,
the boat? How many boats can you see?
and see 2 boats.
Okay, Lynn. Can you put the boat on the mat? Put the boat on the mat. Okay, next, Lynn. Now, put the other boat on the horse. Very good, Lynn. Okay, on the mat and on the horse. Good job, Lynn. All right, another one, Lynn. Another one. Lynn, which is the carrot? Can you see the carrot?
Yes,
Yeah. Put the carrot under the kite. Put the carrot under the bike. Or under the kite. Next, Lynn, can you see the shoes in the picture?
Yes.
All right. Now, Lynn, okay, here, put the shoes next to the bike. Put the shoes next to the bike. All right, let's check. Let's see. Okay. There, and the other one. Perfectly answered, Lynn. Great work. Great work, Lynn. Good job. Okay, another one, Lynn. Look at here. Look at the boy. The boy is eating. He's very happy in the picture. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah, Lynn. How many books are there in the picture?
There are 3 books.
There are 3 books. And where are these 3 books?
The 3 books in the grass.
Are? Again,
The-
the 3 books are?
The 3 books are in the grass.
On the grass. Again?
On the grass.
Okay, next here. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I really like.
Oh, what are the books that you read, Lynn?
I like many books.
Many books. Okay, do you like story books?
Yes.
Do you like story books?
Yes.
Okay, story books are fun. Now here, what are the birds doing in the picture, Lynn?
The birds are flying.
Flying, where are they?
There's in the shop.
Okay, Lynn, what is the boy and the girl doing in the picture?
The girls is playing and the boys is eating.
All right, the girl is playing in the picture while the boy is eating. Okay, now Lynn, look at the picture. Do you have a
Yes.
Yes, look at the picture, Lynn. What color is this hat, Lynn?
It's yellow and red.
Okay, yellow and red, correct. Now look at the second picture, Lynn. What is the second picture? It's a
It's the tomato.
It's a tomato. Do you like tomato?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Lynn, how about what do you eat for breakfast, Lynn? How about for breakfast? What do you eat?
I rice, fry and egg.
Okay, I eat rice and egg. Okay, look at the third picture. What's the third picture?
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror. Do you have a mirror?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Lynn, where is your mirror, Lynn? Where's your mirror? Is your mirror in the living room, in the kitchen? Where can we find your mirror?
It's in the bathroom.
Okay. Is your mirror big or it's small?
It's big.
It's big. Okay. So, Lynn, that would be all for this speaking activity. Okay. So, Lynn, congratulations for today because you were able to answer all the given questions. It's just that there were few activities which you got mistake. But don't worry because your mistake is only 1 and 2. Okay? Not more than 2 mistakes. So it means, Lynn, that you understand the given activity. You understand the given question. Okay? You just have to be careful next time, Lynn. Okay? All right. So, Lynn, that would be all for today. Goodbye for now, Lynn. See you again next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
See you again.